What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In this video I'll be covering two new jobs where you can make up to around $85,000 per year. One job is paying around $28 per hour. The other one goes up, or the range goes up to around $85,000 per year. These are both full-time remote work from home jobs. Also, there is a remote position here for anyone that is in Mexico. That position is a bit older, but it is still up, so you can still apply because it hasn't been filled as yet. So some really good opportunities in today's job lead video, so be sure to stick around to the very end so you can hear about all these new job leads for today. Now, before we dive into the job leads, just want to remind you guys of my second channel, which is the work from home channel. So that's going to be this channel right here. So if you take a look at some of my previous videos or some of my recent videos, you'll see that these jobs are high paying for the type of jobs that they are. So for example, here, get paid $20 per hour working from home, perfect for beginners. Now, while this may not be a high paying job lead, it is high for a beginner. So if you are new to working remotely or just new to working in general, then most of the jobs that don't require any experience, don't require a college degree, that will accept you are going to be paying, $11, $12, $13 per hour, if that much. So $20 per hour for a beginner is indeed a high paying job lead. Also, other jobs here, job at Netflix where you can make up to $3,200 or over $3,200 per week, not being on the phones. Other entry-level jobs here making $23 per hour. Worldwide positions here making over $1,300 per week. So a lot of really high-paying job leads that I covered here recently. I'd say within the past week or past 1 to 2 weeks, I've covered a lot of high-paying job leads. So if you don't want to miss out on another really high-paying job lead, be sure to go over to this channel, the Work From Home channel. I'll leave the link down below. You can subscribe here. More importantly, go ahead and tap the notification bell right here, because it seems as if that's the only way that YouTube will send out notifications of when I post a new job lead here, and you definitely don't want to miss out. Also, I just posted another brand new job lead here, something that you guys may be interested in. So after this video, feel free to go over and check that out. You may want to apply for that job as well. Now, with all that covered, let's dive into the job leads for today. So job leads are going to be at the Trevor Project, and currently they have an opening for a corporate partnerships manager. So let's take a look at this one first. This is a fully remote work from home job position right here. So in this position, this is what you'll be doing. So summary here, you will contribute to the critical mission of ending suicide among the LGBTQ community while fostering an inclusive approach to your direct work and engagement with colleagues across the organization. So some of the roles and responsibilities here in the day-to-day of this job will include managing and growing a portfolio of corporate partnerships, build relationships and trust with executives and stakeholders at Fortune 500 companies, build and carry out strategies for partnership growth in alignment to their mission, project, manage, and track deliverables for current partnerships with stakeholders, oversee successful execution of cause marketing campaigns, help develop compelling proposals working alongside program and finance leadership, represent Trevor's mission in presentations for corporate partners, be a liaison between corporate partners and internal teams by helping align on shared vision, goals, and projects, build strong professional relationships with corporate partners leadership, also contribute to building and evolving corporate partnership at the Trevor Project. Other related tasks demonstrate fair, ethical, and equitable business practices, learn eagerly, share knowledge appropriately, and improve continuously, demonstrate attention to detail, work, communicate, and collaborate effectively with others, demonstrate a commitment to fostering and maintaining an environment of diversity, inclusion, and belonging. Now, for this position, minimum qualifications here include a bachelor's degree in a relevant field such as business administration, marketing, communications, or nonprofit management. Also, 4+ years of experience in corporate fundraising, partnership development, or related fields, demonstrated success in securing and managing corporate partnerships or sponsorships, strong communication and interpersonal skills, excellent project management skills, experience in developing and implementing strategic fundraising plans and initiatives, ability to work collaboratively with cross-functional teams and lead a team of fundraising professionals, also proficiency in spoken and written English. For this position, salary range here is $75,000 to $80,000 per year, so paying fairly well. Also, you do get some really good benefits working here, so 100% off your employee contribution premiums for medical, dental, vision, and basic life insurance, 403 retirement plan with a 3% match, generous vacation and 13 paid holidays, employee assistance program, in-network mental health office and virtual visits covered 100%. Also, you get the technology, so they're providing you with all the equipment you need to do this job. You get a monthly internet reimbursement and also reimbursement to outfit your work from home space. So really good opportunity here at the Trevor Project. Be sure to go ahead and apply. Again, $75,000 to $85,000 per year is what you can make here as a corporate partnerships manager. Now, currently they have two other job openings here at the Trevor Project. So one is going to be a crisis services shift supervisor. For this position, they are paying around $28 per hour, and responsibilities of this position will be a bit different. So you'll facilitate team training and reviewing new processes, also offer real-time support and coverage as needed, identify knowledge gaps or team opportunities, and collaborate with other team leads on small-scale solutions, maintain proficiency in all technical applications, assist with administrative tasks, including pulling reports to monitor crisis conversions, quality time attendance, and others, regularly document feedback on counselors to be coached by supervisor, partner with other shift supervisors and leads, call the on-call consult for on-shift clinical support as necessary, demonstrate fair, ethical, and equitable business practices, work, communicate, and collaborate effectively with others, demonstrate a commitment to fostering and maintaining an environment of diversity, inclusion, and belonging. For this job, you don't need a degree. All you really needed was a high school diploma or the equivalent, also 1 to 2 years of experience in a crisis care, contact center, or customer care setting. Shift supervisor experience in a crisis care or contact center setting, demonstrating the ability to prioritize multiple situations of varying intensity levels. Also proficiency in spoken and written English with strong communication and active listening skills, strong resilience and adaptability in handling crisis situations, demonstrated ability to engage in healthy, productive dialogue, and also demonstrated knowledge and understanding of LGBTQ+ issues, including unique challenges faced by the LGBTQ+ youth. So that's what you'll be doing in this job. Again, $28 per hour, and you do get the same benefits. They provide you with all the technology you need to do this job. You get a monthly internet reimbursement and also reimbursement to outfit your work from a home space. So this is another job that you guys can look into. Now, just in case you've never heard about the Trevor Project before, I was able to find them on Glassdoor. So they are listed here on Glassdoor. Reviews are a bit or slightly lower than average, or the industry average, which is around 2.9 stars up to I think around 3.7 or 3.6. So slightly lower, but they have over 170 reviews here and also over 300 reported salaries. So you could read up on what people had to say about working here, and you could also look at the reported salaries for different positions and see what actual people reported making. So for example, a crisis services supervisor based on 6 reported salaries is making around $55,000 per year. A crisis services manager based on 5 reported salaries is making around $72,000 per year. And that is what you could expect to make here if you were working in any of those positions. So again, legitimate company or legitimate organization rather listed here on Glassdoor, so feel free to check them out. I'll leave the links down below to these jobs. Also, they have another position here. This one is or was listed around 30 days ago, but it's still up, so they're still looking for someone to work here. Salary is $18,000 to $22,000 per month, and that is in the local currency in Mexico, and this is a remote position in Mexico. So if you are in Mexico or you know someone that is there, you could send this job a link to them, and maybe this is something that they could look into. Maybe this would be a really good job for them to land. So this position is here as well. Now, if you guys are struggling with your resume or landing interviews, be sure to check out the pro resume templates right here. Professionally done, eye-catching, and interview landing resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. Really important. 3 resume templates. They come broken down into sections with section by section instructions on how to customize them depending on the type of job that you're applying to. This way you get to customize everything and it all remains ATS compliant. Also, 3 matching cover letter templates with instructions as well, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters, interview follow-ups if you want to use those. Everything comes with instructions. Everything is fully customizable. You can do so using Google Docs, which gives you a lot of flexibility because now you can edit these on a MacBook or a Windows PC or smart TV, tablet, iPad, phone. Doesn't really matter, whatever device, you can edit these templates there. So really flexible. So you do need this if you are struggling with landing interviews. Be sure to check this out. Link is down below. Also, some other positions that I covered before on the work from home channel that you guys may have not seen before will include jobs at Unitas. There was the senior communications writer, that was a remote position, and there was also the senior customer success manager. Both these positions were paying just about $100,000 per year. So for this one, the salary range was $80,000 to $100,000 per year. So a high paying job lead right there. And for the senior customer success manager, the salary range for this one was $92,000 to $108,000 per year. They give really good benefits here. And these were 2 other high paying job leads covered about a day or 2 ago. So these are things that you could look into, as well as they're still up and you can still apply to these jobs. So with all that said, or with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt. I hope you guys find that dream remote work from home job that you're looking for. I really hope these videos are helping you into finding the highest paying job leads that you actually want to apply to. And as always, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.